What's up, nail friends, and welcome back to another video. So for today, I'll be doing a 4th of July manicure. I know it's pretty late and 4th of July is on the weekends already, so I'll be rushing this video. And yeah, I'll be trying also this Revel nail peel base. So they recently released this one and I actually already tried it on my left or my right hand, and I will update you if it's easy to pop off your manicure. But yeah, I'm just going to show you the consistency. So it reminds me of the UNT, but this one is a little bit thicker, and the smell, the color is just the same as the UNT. So I will be applying one full coat of this peel base and I will update you if it will work. As using peel base is a trial and error, you have to find what will work for you. So this is after I applied it to all of my nails. I am just going to let it dry, and actually it is a super fast drying. So don't worry, I'll be doing updates on my next videos if it will work on me. So hopefully it will. So now I am going to apply the color. It is Moonlight. It is a white dip powder that glows blue in the dark. So I'm going to apply that color on my thumb and my pinky finger. So based on my experience, while I am applying my first layer of dip base over the Revel peel base, while I am using the brush to apply the dip base, I noticed that the surface of the nail is super dry and it's hard to apply dip base and the brush is sticking to the peel base. So just in case you experience that, just continue with your process, and after your first layer it will go back to the normal. So yeah, I just hope that it will work, but I love how fast drying it is, because the problem with UNT peel base is that it takes longer to fully dry. But other than that, it works really good, and I already finished 2 bottles of UNT peel base. I'm just hoping that the Revel will also work. So this is after I applied 3 layers of the Moonlight, the white dip powder, on both of my thumb and my pinky. So I'm going to move on with the next color. It is called Dirty Secret. So this is a red thermal, and I'll be applying this color on my pointer finger. And for my ring finger, I'll be using Truth Serum. And lastly, I'll be applying so much base. This is a reflective glitter dip, and I will be applying this on my middle finger. And this is after all the colors are applied. So I noticed that my pointer finger is kinda light, and I forgot that I have to use peekaboo because this one is more darker red. So I am just going to apply another layer on top of it to make it more vibrant. And here it is. So I'm just going to clear and encapsulate all the colors, and I'll be doing that off cam. And this is after I did that. So I'm now going to apply Triple D Activator. So I'm just going to let this dry and do all my filing and shaping off cam. And this is after I did all my filing and shaping. So now I'll be using these SMOKEY DIVA inks. So these are the alcohol ink that Triple D just recently released. So I'm going to apply this on my white nails, the one that I applied white dip powder on. So I'll start first with the red one. So I don't have a specific design, so I'm just applying this on the areas that I like. And now I'll be using J31. This is a blue ink, and I'll be applying this beside the red one. I'll be using some alcohol and gel brush to kinda clean the sides and to blend it. So I think I'm okay with this look, so I'm just going to do it with the pinky finger, and this is after I did that. So I am just going to do some quick stamping and apply some fireworks design. So first I'm just going to apply sticky base coat. This one is from Maniology, and after you apply this, wait for about 30 seconds before you stamp over this sticky base coat. So I just used my lamp to know the timer. I just pressed the 30 seconds, and while I am waiting for that, I will be using this stamping polish. It is called So Metal, also from Maniology. So I am going to remove some of the design because I just want the stamping to be on the half part of my nail, and after doing that, I am now going to stamp it on my nail. So after that, make sure to clean the sides. So when cleaning, I am just using my scraper card to remove it. I am just doing this, and you can also use some acetone and brush. And I'll be doing the same design for my ring finger, and this is how it looks like. So after that, I am now going to top coat everything using the Triple D Delicate 2-in-1 gel base and top coat. And after that, cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and this is how it looks like after curing. So I'm just going to apply cuticle oil. So this one is again from Scales of a Mermaid, and this scent is going to be available on July 7th at 8 p.m. EST, if I'm not mistaken. I'll be putting the details in the description box. So yeah, after that, this is now the finished look. So this is how it looks like when my hands are warm, and then when they are cold, this is the look. I actually like it better when they are cold because of the red and blue. They are more vibrant, and this is the transition from warm to cold. And yeah, that's it. So this is my 4th of July manicure. So thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you again on my next videos. Bye!